Hello everyone. So today we will be talking about the differences between let, constant, and var. So let's start with the var. Variables declared with var are either function scope or global scope if it is declared globally. Let's say, for example, if we have a var called even number, which is declared inside an if block. So this will be recognized anywhere. So for example, let's try to access this outside the block. So it works, right? So we can see the even number printed out here. So again, if it is, let's say we have a function. Again, so let's say we have a function called print message, which basically prints a message. Now let's try to call the function. This we can see the string getting printed, and at the same time we can also access the variable which is declared or defined outside the function, right? uh, so this we can access the variable. A variable declared inside the function is a function scope, meaning I cannot access the message variable outside the function, right? So it throws an error saying that message is not defined. Another interesting thing is we can redeclare the variable. So let's say even number. We can again write even number here. It will not throw error. So this is about var variables declared with var. It is either global scope if it is declared outside the function, and if it is declared inside the function, it is a function scope. That means the visibility will be in the inside the function only. Now let's go to let and constant. So let and constant have the same scope, meaning they are block scope. So let's see with the same example. So let's say we have the variable declared with let, right? So the visibility is only in this block. Let and constant have the same scoping, meaning they have a block scope. So, for example, in this case, let's say we have a variable with let even is equal to 2, we cannot access it outside the scope. I mean, outside the block even number. So this throws an error. Even num is not defined because the validity is within this scope, when as within this block. So block is the space between uh, an opening bracket and a closing bracket. So it is inside the if block. Same goes with constant. So we cannot access it. And the second thing about let and constant is we cannot redeclare it under the same scope. So, for example, if we try to declare even num1, and let's say we try to redeclare it here, let's say again, right? So this is not possible because they are in the same scope, and this will conflict. Identifier even num has already been declared, but let's say we want to redeclare it inside another block. This is possible. It will say it will print 2, and then it will again print undefined, right? You see this 2 and then undefined because they have a different scope. So the let here, even num here has a scope of this scope, and the even num outside has a scope of the outer one, right? So this is undefined, and then the even num here has a value which is 2. And the final thing is A variable which is declared or defined with constant cannot be reassigned. So meaning, so constant message is equal to hello. We cannot again assign another value. Assignment to a constant variable. So these are the basic differences between let constant and var. Hope you like it.